Welcome to our video on the Project Management Office, or PMO. Today, we'll break down what a PMO is, why it matters, and how it helps organizations run projects smoothly. Let's get started. PMO is a dedicated group or department within an organization that supports project managers and teams. Its main job is to ensure that all projects are aligned with the business's strategic goals, organized, and executed efficiently. Whether you're part of a small team or a large enterprise, a PMO acts as the backbone that standardizes processes and keeps everyone on track. Imagine trying to manage several projects without a clear system. Deadlines might slip, budgets could balloon, and quality might suffer. This is where the PMO comes in. A well-run PMO helps organizations increase confidence. With a standardized approach, project timelines become predictable. Improve alignment. Projects are selected and prioritized based on how well they support the company's goals. Enhance visibility. Regular reporting and tracking mean that stakeholders always know what's happening. In short, a PMO helps reduce risks and ensures projects deliver on time, on budget, and to the right quality standards. PMOs can work in different ways, depending on the organization's needs. Supportive PMO acts as a consultant, offering best practices, templates, and guidance. Controlling PMO sets and enforces standard processes to ensure compliance and consistency. Directive PMO takes direct control over project management, often assigning project managers to key projects. Each style is designed to meet the organization's unique challenges while still ensuring that projects are delivered effectively. A successful PMO not only helps the organization by aligning projects with strategic objectives, but it also supports project teams. It provides a consistent set of tools and practices, reduces administrative burdens, and creates an environment where continuous improvement is the norm. This dual benefit is why many organizations, up to 75% in some studies, have adopted a PMO framework. Let's look at a couple of quick examples. In a tech company, a PMO might streamline software development projects by introducing agile methodologies, ensuring that updates roll out on schedule and within budget. In a construction firm, the PMO coordinates multiple building projects, ensuring that resource allocation is optimized and risks are minimized. These examples show how a PMO can be tailored to fit any industry or organizational size. To wrap up, a project management office is all about creating order, consistency, and efficiency in project delivery. Whether by supporting teams, enforcing standards, or directly managing projects, a PMO plays a crucial role in turning strategic goals into reality.